Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video we are making cashew nut milk. I have here 1 cup of cashew nut. This is roasted cashew nut. So and I'll be making cashew nut milk from this. Sorry, I had to eat that one. So it is salted and roasted. I just added some water, rinse out this water. I'm going to sieve this water to remove some of the salt in it. So I need to transfer it here and just rinse it. And then I'll add clean bottled water to it. This is just to soften it. I'll cover it and allow it to sit for about 1 or 2 hours just to soften the seed a bit for easier blending. Very nice. Very yummy. Very yummy. Thanks for watching.